Good morning, everybody, and welcome back to another episode of Buckeye State Overland. I am your host, Cameron Salapak. I forgot to talk about and narrate when I took the engine out of the turd. At the time, I was coming off of a cold, so I forgot to narrate. I'm sorry, but I'm going to be talking about it now. So what I did is I ratchet strapped the engine to the bucket of the Kubota, backed it on out of there, put it on the trailer, drove my dad's Jeep, and I drove it over to my storage unit. It was getting super dark out because it was the end of the day. So thankfully the Kubota has a light bar on it, and I'll throw some cool music and do a cinematic edit here in a couple seconds.
Run it, I can't take no loss. I don't even know what it costs. I hit the ground then it go off. Yeah, hit the ground then it go off. Yeah, I can't take no loss. I don't even know what it costs. Yeah, I hit the ground then it go off. Yeah, hit the ground then it go off. Yeah, run it. Ooh, I really feel it's my time. Think it's my year. Yeah. I really feel it's my time, think it's my year, yeah. I really feel it's my time, think it's my year, yeah. I really feel it's my time, think it's my pen ready. Used to hold myself back, my self-esteem damn bad. Gotta keep on chugging, ran through everything in front of me.
Now, why is episode 5.5 out before episode 5? Well, I pulled an all-nighter and I forgot to narrate. So in this episode, you're going to see me mark up, measure up, and cut the frame on the turd, as well as remove the brake lines first. So without further ado, here's episode 5. This is where we're at right now. You can see here the crosshatch section is going to be cut away, and then the cheetah print right here is staying. Now I will get in here with a wire brush, fill these in, and then grind them down to make it all flat again. However, on this side, you can see that this is going to need a little bit of love. Now, around here is really solid, which I'm not worried about, so I'll just cut it out, get a piece, and weld it right in, weld another plate over it, and then that bracket for the frame extension will sit over that to really make that strong.